Hello boys and girls. Welcome to Storytime with Auntie Stacee. I'm Auntie Stacee. I'm so glad you came to read with me. The story I'm going to share with you today is called
Come Back, Cat. Come back, Cat. Play with me. Sit in your basket. Stay right here. Come back, Cat. That's way too high. Come back, Cat. Don't go outside. Come back, Cat. Don't do that. Come back, Cat. That's not yours. Come back, Cat. What have you got? Come back, Cat. That's not your friend. Hello, Cat. Are you back? Stay in your basket. It's nap time now. Cat?
This is the end of the story. What was your favorite part of the story? If you enjoyed the story, ask a grown-up to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with all of your cousins and friends. See you next time.